In a world where convenience and security are paramount, wireless doorbells have emerged as essential home devices. Say goodbye to missed visitors or packages, as these doorbells provide real-time notifications and crystal-clear video feeds directly to your smartphone. Join the wave of smart home enthusiasts and embrace the convenience and security that the best wireless doorbells have to offer. Introducing the revolutionary Ring Video Doorbell 4 with the exceptional Ring Chime Pro, 2nd generation. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 proves to be a reliable and feature-packed device for home security. With its 1080 pixels HD video capability, users can easily see, hear, and speak to anyone approaching their doorstep through their phone, tablet, or PC. And the real game changer? The all-new color pre-roll video previews. Witness every motion event in vivid color, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment at your front door. Enjoy the added benefit of customizable privacy zones and audio privacy, providing you with the utmost control over your home security. With improved dual-band, 2.4 or 5.0 GHz, Wi-Fi connectivity and enhanced motion detection, you can rest assured that your Ring Video Doorbell 4 is always on top of its game. Receive instant mobile notifications whenever someone presses the doorbell or triggers the motion sensors, keeping you informed and in control at all times. Ring Video Doorbell 4 offers the flexibility to power your doorbell either through existing doorbell wires, ensuring an uninterrupted supply of power, or with the convenience of a removable, rechargeable battery pack. Whether your home is equipped with wired power or you prefer the freedom of a battery-powered option, the Ring Video Doorbell 4 seamlessly adapts, making it a true embodiment of versatility. Pair the Ring Video Doorbell 4 with a Ring Protect plan, and you'll unlock a world of possibilities. Store all your videos for up to 180 days, review what you missed, and effortlessly share videos and photos with friends and family. Best of all, this bundle comes certified to work with Alexa. Combine it with an Alexa device for the ultimate hands-free experience. Simply ask Alexa, show the front door camera, and you'll have eyes on your doorstep in an instant. AOSU Doorbell Camera, your ultimate home guardian that brings peace of mind and security to your doorstep. With its cutting-edge features and state-of-the-art technology, this 5MP Ultra HD video doorbell is a game-changer, providing you with a premium home protection experience like no other. No more worrying about monthly fees or hidden costs, as the AOSU Doorbell Camera offers you the freedom to stay connected without any additional expenses. Equipped with triple motion detection technology, our video doorbell goes beyond the ordinary to accurately identify human presence, minimizing false alarms and ensuring that you're always alerted to the things that truly matter. Its smart capabilities let you have seamless conversations with visitors, ensuring you never miss an important delivery or a friendly neighbor's hello. Embrace crystal-clear clarity with the 5MP Ultra HD video and a wide 166-degree field of view, coupled with WDR technology, allowing you to capture every detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Day or night, experience the power of night vision, which keeps a watchful eye over your property, ensuring security around the clock. Not only does the AOSU Doorbell Camera boast remarkable technology, but it is also designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions, from bone-chilling -4 degrees Fahrenheit to sweltering 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain or shine, this robust doorbell camera has your back. Setting up the AOSU Doorbell Camera is a breeze with the included Wi-Fi home base, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Plus, we provide you with all the necessary accessories, from a 15-degree mounting wedge to installation screws and a USB-C charging cable, leaving no stone unturned in your quest for unparalleled security. As an outdoor essential, this AOSU video doorbell is a must-have for every home. Safeguard your loved ones, protect your property, and enjoy the serenity of knowing you have a reliable and efficient guardian watching over your doorstep. Google Nest Doorbell is a sleek and stylish addition to your home, available in a stunning ash color that complements any entrance. It's not just a doorbell, it's a video doorbell that brings intelligence and convenience right to your fingertips. Imagine never missing a beat at your front door again. The Nest Doorbell comes with built-in intelligence, enabling it to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles. Whenever any activity occurs, you'll receive a prompt alert on your Google Home app, and here's the best part: no subscription is required. Stay connected to your home, no matter where life takes you. With live HD video and HDR, you can easily check in 24/7 from anywhere. The night vision feature ensures crystal clear footage even in the darkest of nights. Worried about missing something important? Fear not. You get 3 hours of free event video history, and if you opt for a Nest Aware subscription, you can enjoy up to 60 days of event video history. Unexpected Wi-Fi disruptions or power outages won't be a cause for concern. The Nest Doorbell is smart enough to store up to 1 hour of recorded events during such times, ensuring you stay in the know. Installation is a breeze with options to go wired or wire-free. The built-in battery allows for flexible placement, making it compatible with any door. If you prefer a wired setup, just connect it to your existing doorbell wires using the included wire connector. This little marvel offers you more than just video monitoring. Engage with visitors at your doorstep even when you're away. Use the Google Home app to speak directly to them, let them know you'll be right there, instruct delivery persons, or use pre-recorded messages to respond effortlessly. And that's not all, the Nest Doorbell syncs seamlessly with your Alexa devices. By combining with a screen Alexa device, you gain voice control over your doorbell. Simply say, "Alexa, show the front door camera," and you'll see a live feed instantly. Compatible with Google Nest and Amazon Smart Displays, the Nest Doorbell allows for hands-free video streaming, letting you interact with visitors effortlessly. Plus, your Google Nest and Amazon Smart speakers and displays can double up as a doorbell chime, adding to the convenience. Embrace peace of mind and heightened security with the Google Nest Doorbell. It's more than just a smart device, it's a reliable companion that protects your home and your loved ones. So, why wait? Elevate your home security and get the Nest Doorbell today. Wyze Lock and Video Doorbell. With the Wyze Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a beat. Instantly receive notifications when someone presses the doorbell and dive right into the live stream to see who's at your doorstep. Engage in two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors from anywhere in the world. But wait, there's more. Thanks to its cutting-edge technology, you can even remotely unlock or lock the Wyze lock, providing you with unrivaled control and peace of mind. Security and convenience merge seamlessly with the Wyze lock. Say goodbye to fumbling for your keys. With keyless entry, you can effortlessly unlock your door as you approach. Imagine letting a neighbor in directly from the live stream or ensuring your door is securely locked, even from miles away during your road trip. It's like magic at your fingertips. But there's no need to stop there. The Wyze lock is not just a lock, it's a smart door sensor too. It keeps you informed about the status of your door, and with its built-in gyroscope, it can even detect if the door is open. Paired with the video doorbell, it brings you a full suite of security features, including motion detection, smart alerts, and video recording. All this without requiring any additional sensors or cameras. Experience a whole new level of clarity with the head-to-toe viewing capability of the Wyze Video Doorbell. Live stream and record videos in stunning 1080 pixels Full HD with a 3:4 aspect ratio, ensuring you see every visitor from head to toe, along with any packages resting on the ground beneath your doorbell. Stay informed, stay secure. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, your ultimate solution for comprehensive home security, wrapped in a sleek and modern design. With its high-definition video capabilities, this doorbell captures every detail with stunning clarity. Say goodbye to unclear, grainy footage. You'll be able to see everything from head to toe, ensuring you never miss a single thing. Plus, with the added benefit of HDR, even challenging lighting conditions won't stop you from getting a crystal clear picture. But it's not just about visuals. This doorbell also has a heart, and that's evident in its night vision and motion sensor features. Whether it's the darkest of nights or the busiest of days, you can trust this doorbell to keep you informed about any unusual activity outside your door. Setting up this doorbell is a breeze, no cumbersome wiring required. It's designed to be wire-free, providing you with the freedom to place it wherever you desire, ensuring the perfect view for your camera. Rain or shine, hot or cold, this doorbell remains steadfast, as it's weather-resistant and built to endure the harshest of conditions. But what truly sets this doorbell apart is its intelligence. With Arlo foresight, it captures video even before a motion event occurs, so you're always ahead of the game. You'll be able to see what triggered the motion, giving you unparalleled insight into your surroundings. And let's not forget the power of communication. With two-way audio, you can easily speak to visitors at your door, even when you're not physically present. Busy? No problem. Just use the pre-recorded quick reply messages to respond promptly. It's all about staying connected and in control. Speaking of control, this doorbell integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings, elevating your smart home security system to new heights. Be notified of specific events like people, vehicles, or packages, and react instantly from the convenience of your phone. Worried about privacy and storage? Rest assured, your videos can be securely stored on your Arlo base station or smart hub, accessible anytime and anywhere. It's all about giving you peace of mind and a sense of safety like never before.